Work out the following divisions. 96 a, b, c, 3a minus 12, 5b minus 30 divided by, this is given. So which is a polynomial divided by a polynomial. Okay, so now we are going to divide this expression. So write it as numerator by denominator. This we wrote as numerator by denominator. Now see this given two brackets in the numerator, 3a minus 12. Actually the terms should be gets cancelled so that we will get the final answer. But see here the terms are a minus 4, but in the numerator it is 3a minus 12. See here it is b minus 6, in the numerator it is 5b minus 30. So you should think of how these factors can be gets cancelled. See this bracket 3a minus 12. Here one common number can be taken outside. What is that? Yes, 3 can be taken outside. Let me write this 96 ABC. From this bracket I am taking 3 outside. So the terms inside will be a minus 4. Because 3 is taken outside, 12 divided by 3 will give you 4. Because if we are taking outside, which means from multiplication we are taking outside, so we should divide. Similarly, from the next bracket, one number can be taken outside. Why it is not variable? Because variable is present only in the first term, which is not present in the second term. So only numbers can be taken outside because both terms have numerical coefficient. Numbers. So which is the common number? Yes, 5 is the common number. 5. So b minus 6 divided by 144, a minus 4, b minus 6. Now see, this a minus 4 will get cancelled. B minus 6 will get cancelled. See how I am striking out? The same must be done. Okay, not by a small line. The whole term must be cancelled using a cross strikeout. Now we can cancel the numbers. Multiplication sign. Now this 144 and 3 can be gets cancelled. Na? So 4 3s are 12. Remaining 2, 8 3s are 24. Here it is 1. 48 and 96 can be gets cancelled. 148 is 48, 248 is 96. Is any other things can be cancelled? No, because we got denominator as 1. So the numerator numbers can be multiplied. 2 into 5, 10. Not 25. 2 into 5, 10. The remaining variables are a, b, c. So this is the answer. Similarly, second subdivision, it is 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. Write solution. 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. From this numerator, which number can be taken outside? 5 is the common factor. So the remaining will be 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 2x minus 25 divided by 5 is 5. So the answer is 5. So this is what the sum's easiest one. So all the factors which were given will be in the form, they will be gets cancelled only. Okay. So you can think according to that. the factors can maybe seems to be different, but the thing is they are similar only. By taking a common factor or a common variable outside, you may get the same factors. They can be gets cancelled. Okay.